Are you trying to figure out which platform, Dropified or SaleHoo, offers more supplier choices? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down both platforms, highlight their strengths and weaknesses, and ultimately help you decide which one is a better fit for your dropshipping business. Stick around until the end because there's a better option you might not have heard of that offers even more benefits, and I'll share the details with you. Let's start with Dropified. This platform is popular for its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. When it comes to suppliers, Dropified gives you access to a broad range of suppliers, particularly from US-based and global options. You can choose from a variety of product categories, which is great for diversifying your store's offerings. However, the downside? While it does have decent options, it still doesn't match the supplier variety of some other platforms, especially when you're looking for more niche products. Next thing to consider is SaleHoo. SaleHoo is known for its vast directory of suppliers, offering over 8,000 vetted suppliers, mostly from the US and around the world. SaleHoo's advantage lies in its extensive research and vetting process, ensuring that each supplier meets specific quality standards. So, for anyone concerned about reliability, SaleHoo can be a great option. But the platform isn't perfect. Its user interface can be clunky at times, making it a little harder to navigate compared to Dropified. Plus, if you're looking for more variety in product categories beyond the typical dropshipping niches, SaleHoo may not be as flexible. The fourth thing is to look at pricing. Dropified offers different pricing tiers, which means you can get started at a low entry cost, but as you scale up, you'll need to pay for more advanced features. On the flip side, SaleHoo's membership fee is a one-time cost of around $67, which is great if you're just getting started, but it might not offer enough advanced features for a growing business without additional tools. So if you're looking for flexibility and scalability, the pricing model could be a deciding factor for you. Now let's talk about supplier integration and automation. Dropified stands out because it automates a lot of the product listing and order fulfillment processes. For sellers looking to save time, this is a big deal. On the other hand, SaleHoo doesn't automate as much, which might mean more manual work for you, but some users appreciate having more control over the process. So, which one truly offers more supplier choices? While SaleHoo does give you access to thousands of suppliers, Dropified is likely the better choice if you want a smoother, more automated experience, especially when it comes to managing orders and integrating with your store. But here's the thing, both platforms have their limits when it comes to supplier variety. If you're looking for something that offers not just more suppliers, but also better automation and flexibility, I recommend checking out a different platform that I've personally tried. After using both Dropified and SaleHoo myself, I found that there's a better alternative for getting access to even more suppliers while still maintaining automation and ease of use. If you want to try it out for yourself, head to the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial with exclusive benefits only available through this link. Trust me, this will make your dropshipping journey much easier, and you'll get access to a broader range of suppliers that will help you scale your business faster.